Why Lin Shidong lost to Hugo Calderano at the ITTF World Cup Macao 2025. Hugo Calderano has just shaken the foundation of modern table tennis. In back-to-back upsets, he defeated Wang Chuqin, world number 2, and then went on to dismantle Lin Shidong, the current world number 1. These victories are not random. They are the result of raw speed, explosive power, and strategic brilliance. Calderano didn't just beat the Chinese, he broke through a psychological and tactical wall that has dominated the sport for decades. Speed and power monster, Hugo Calderano plays with a style that is often described as unorthodox by traditional standards. But when it works, it becomes nearly unplayable. His backhand speed is unmatched, fast, flat, and straight to the point. Hugo's backhand is a rocket launcher. Many players use the backhand to control the rally. Hugo uses it to terminate the point. Lin Shidong, known for his ultra-fast backhand and deceptive serves, was neutralized. Every time he initiated a fast rally with his backhand, it came right into Hugo's backhand zone, and Hugo countered it with devastating efficiency. What works against 99% of the world doesn't work against Calderano. The forehand cannon. If the backhand is a rocket, Hugo's forehand is a cannon. Calderano's forehand shots in this match were not just fast, they were overwhelming. His ability to take high-risk shots and land them consistently created pressure that Lin couldn't escape. There was no room to breathe, no rally to settle into. Every ball was a threat. Hugo didn't play safe. He played like a man on a mission, and it paid off. The TTR system and the serve disruption. One key turning point in this tournament is the implementation of the TTR system, Table Tennis Review. This system allows players to challenge serves that are potentially illegal. For Lin Shidong, this is a major blow. His signature illegal serve, where he hides the contact point or tosses ambiguously, is often crucial in gaining quick advantages. But in this match, Lin couldn't use it freely. Under the eyes of TTR, he was forced to serve legally, and without his edge, he became predictable. Without that early advantage in the serve, he had to play more open rallies, and in open rallies, Hugo was simply better. Chinese dominance challenged. For years, the global table tennis community has been asking the same question: who can truly challenge Chinese supremacy? Most assumed it would be someone from Europe or powerhouse nations like Japan or Korea. No one expected that the breakthrough would come from South America. Hugo Calderano didn't just beat top Chinese players. He did it back-to-back and even added Tomokazu Harimoto, world number 3, to his list of victims. This kind of performance is historic. A match played on the edge. What made this match even more extraordinary is the high-risk style of Calderano. He didn't play safe. He didn't wait. He attacked every ball as if it were the last point of the match. He played on the edge, and somehow, everything landed. It highlights a brutal truth in modern table tennis. To beat the top Chinese players, you must play at a superhuman level, and you must maintain it throughout the match. There's no room for hesitation, no time for safety. It's all or nothing. Hugo went all in and he won.
Read more about table tennis on my blog, PingSunday.com. Get free ebook and coaching advices. See you in the next video.